guys, welcome back to our channel. Let us today discuss question 7 of exercise 9.1. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high buildings are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. The question says, the transmission tower is fixed at the top of a building. The height of the building is 20 meters and a transmission tower is fixed above it. Let AB be the transmission tower and BC be the building. So, from the ground, the angle of elevation to the bottom of the tower is 45 degrees. Let that point be D and this makes 45 degrees. And to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And this angle is 60 degrees. So we have to find the height of the tower. What is AB? This is the question. AB can be written as AC minus BC. So substituting the values by identifying AC and BC, we can identify the height of the tower, transmission tower. Let us consider triangle BCD. We know tan 45 is opposite by adjacent, that is BC by CD. 1 is equal to BC by CD, which gives us CD is equal to BC, which is equal to 20 meters. In triangle ACD, tan 60 is equal to AC by CD, which gives us root 3 is equal to AC by 20, which gives us AC as 20 root 3 meters. We have to find the height of tower, which is AD. AB is equal to AC minus BC. Is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. Taking 20 common, we get root 3 minus 1. You know root 3 as 1.732. 20 into 1.732 minus 1, which gives us 20 into 0.732, which in turn gives us 14.640 meters. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 14.64 meters. Thank you. Happy learning.